Happy December, Boo Kitties. Okay, so we're going to hop right into Canva. You are going to upload the image that you desire to create this effect on. Now we're going to go over to elements and I'm going to type in iPhone frame. I'm actually going to choose this laptop. So you could do laptop frame. And I'm going to drag this down here. Before I did this, you guys, I made a copy of the image that I uploaded, which is this image here. That's why there's two. And I'm going to double tap on this image that I've dragged into the laptop frame. And I'm going to enlarge it. I'm going to resize it so that a part of it is outside of the frame of the laptop. So that once we do this effect, my arm and the iPhone is going to look like it's popping out of the laptop. So you want to make sure that you resize your image where a part of it is not in the frame, because the piece that's not in the frame is going to be popping out of the frame. Now you see how I can't put this image on top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the laptop. I'm going to press the lock button like this, press the pencil lock, and now there's no images that can be dragged onto this this laptop template, right? So now what I'm going to do, I want this image to be in front of the laptop. So I'm going to click these three dots. Excusez-moi. I'm going to hit position and I'm going to add this to the front. I'm going to hit forward actually. So you can see now it's in front of the laptop frame. Then I'm going to click BG remover, background remover at the top to the right of edit, because I just want this to be a transparent image like this. And now what I'm going to do, you guys, this is really easy. Let me just crop this extra space. I am going to line up this transparent image with the image in the laptop frame like this, as you can see. I'm getting messages. Every time I edit, I'm getting messages. So let me just line this up like this. And now I'm just cropping this image right where the screen of the laptop ends. And I'm just playing around with this. So let me just make sure. Okay, so what I did was I just made another copy of this transparent image because I want to crop the image that I just copied where only the arm of the iPhone is showing. I'll show you guys in a second. So I just made a copy of this transparent image. You see I'm putting a second transparent image over this because this is what I'm going to do, you guys. I'm going to crop this so that now the arm is just popping out, if that makes sense. I'm sorry, you guys. Does that make sense, you guys? So you see how it pops out? Because had I done it with the first transparent image, I would not have been able to create this effect, because had I cropped it from the bottom and brought it up, a piece of the sleeve would be missing. So that's why I added another, I created another copy of that transparent image and just cropped it where only the arm appears. And it's super easy, just like this. You can use this for a thumbnail. You can use this for an image for your videos. And I'm going to show you guys another picture to do this effect on. So we're going to go over to elements. I'm going to go to iPhone frame like this. Alrighty. And now what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to go into, I just looked up fish jumping and I went over to photos and I found this picture here, this dolphin. So I'm going to drag this dolphin. Well, I'm going to make a copy first, just like we did with the other image. I'm going to drag this onto the iPhone frame. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to double tap. And now I want a portion of the image to not be seen within the iPhone frame, because the other portion is going to be popping out of the iPhone frame, which is going to be the image that we just copied. Like this. Now I'm going to bring this image up And I'm going to do I'm going to do background remover, which is at the top bar, you guys, to the right of edit, BG remover. And now I'm just going to line it up like this. So you can see it looks like it's popping out. If you really wanted to make it look like it's really popping out, you can actually add like some waves and water at the bottom. I didn't do it in this video because I just want to show you guys that it's super easy. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of adjusting where I cropped the image initially, like this. And you can see here, I forgot to lock the image. So we're going to highlight, lock, press the pencil and the lock again, so that whatever images I drag on top of the iPhone frame, it's not going to interfere with the image that we've already placed within the iPhone frame. All right. So boom, just like that, Boo Kitties. You can use this again for any graphics, thumbnails, for your videos, just like a really cool effect just to have under your belt. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.